I got a haircut. Alright, so today what I'm going to start doing is taking apart this Shopsmith into all of its main components. So it's about noon right now, and I actually have some crap to do later today at like 2 o'clock. So I have 2 hours out here to fully dismantle this. So the first thing that I'd like to really quickly do is move away a couple of these other tools so that then I can start working on this and not feel cramped or what's the other? Not cramped or crowded or anything. So now I have all of this free space to start taking this thing apart. And for all of these small screws like this that I don't want to lose, I'm just going to keep those in a box. So I guess this handle thing actually, you have to move it around onto all different pieces when you want to adjust something. Oh, I get it. So I think this was for the drill press part. I'll lock this down so that doesn't move. But that's kind of scary, actually. Jeez. Huh. Whoa. Okay then. So the first thing that I'd like to take off is this thing right here so that then I can slide this motor off. There. See, I'm smart. One of the best things ever. I just took a tray like this and put all the Allen keys in so then I can find the right size without having to walk back and forth between the bench. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I wonder what could be hiding inside of there. Hello? Finally! 5 minutes. See, now is when you would probably ask a friend to help you take this off, but I don't have any friends, so don't make fun of me. Oh. That was for you, ladies. So this part should just slide off then. Come on, there. Oh, okay. So I've been having a little bit of trouble with the other pole coming out. I just squirted a little bit of WD-40 down in there, and hopefully that will ease it up a little bit. Cars! Cars! Yeah, you, cars. God, ruining my clips. Right, that should do it, hopefully. There. Oh, see, look at all that. Look at all that sawdust and crap in there. That's why. That was jammed in there. Bam. Oh, get that. That is cool. Oh my. Stuff falling everywhere. So I've gotten all of these large components taken apart now, and I took the bars off, and those are laying over there, and part of the receivers, which take those in. I'm probably going to take this apart a little bit further eventually with all the screws and stuff, but I was just looking in the motor, and I took it apart, and that creaking noise was actually in the bearings, and I took the pulley off, and when I run just the motor, so I know that looks dangerous and it just looks like a jumble of wires, but I've been looking at this for about 10-15 minutes, and there is a little bit more of buttoning up I have to do in there and getting the wires nice and clean, but I mean, the motor's good, and that was the part that I was worried about. So here is the mess after everything was taken apart. Have some stuff on there too. And what I'm going to do now is go over on my front lawn and give these a quick hose down so they get all the stuff. And you can see in there's a bunch of spider webs and everything, and the water will get all of that off. So some guy in one of my other videos was telling me I don't work out enough and I need to hit the weights. Bro, all day. So now I'm just cleaning out some of the parts that are just bare metal, and I don't want those to rust any more than they are, so I'm just going to clean them off really good with a towel. can't fix my hair because my hands are dirty. Alright, so it's almost 2 o'clock and I have to get ready. I got some errands to do, random boring stuff, so this is all I can do today. I got most of the parts nice and clean. I got all the surface rust actually, not rust, but I got all of the surface dirt and cobwebs or whatever was on it, and I got all that off. Most of the parts are in really good condition, they just need some cleaning up. I'm gonna have to get a few parts for this. The motor, I'm so happy about that. It's sitting over here, I don't know if you can see it, but all I have to get are the bearings inside of there. The motor is fine, it works perfectly. It's actually very quiet, which I was pretty surprised about. Yeah, so tomorrow I might keep working on this. I'll probably kind of take these in little sections and do like maybe the legs for one part and then maybe like the adjustment stuff or the pipes or something for another part. I don't know. I mean, let me ask you this actually. If there's a part that you'd like to see me do in depth, maybe like the restoration on the dial or something, if there's a part that you'd really like to see me go in depth and detail, then let me know down in the comments if you got and wait for the cars. As I was saying, so now I actually also have a big box full of screws and parts to kind of clean up with the wire brush on the bench grinder. But that's really all I have for this one. If you'd like to give me some advice on this whole project, or if you want to give me some good feedback, please put that down there also. Also, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Whew, perfect timing. I just ended it and you walked out.
I was standing here.
Oh, did you hear me talk?
I'm like,
oh.
may as well just wait and then he'll move.
Oh, alright. Bye.